What's up, everyone? My wife has surprised me yet again. She is the absolute best. She got me a really awesome meal from Dairy Queen. So check this out. All right, we got a regular side of onion rings. Look at those things, man. Oh man. We've got a 1/4 pound bacon cheese grill burger, and we have a Wonder Woman cookie collision blizzard treat. Now, this blizzard has chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolatey cookie dough, and fudge all mixed with ice cream. All right, man, I'm so excited. Let's get this burger out. Let's get a quick thumbnail. This is going to be amazing. All right. Oh, dropping lettuce. Look at that burger. Thumbnail. All right, here we go. So you can see it's got that roll bun there. Oh man, I can never remember exactly what they call those. Yeah, but this looks amazing. Check out that burger. We've got cheese, bacon, onion, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise and ketchup. Man, this is gonna be great. Let's just take a bite out of this burger right fast. Mmm. Mmm. That is amazing. It's got that charbroiled grilled taste to it. Man, their hamburger meat always tastes really good. It's got pickle too. I'm glad this has everything on it. Mmm. Mmm. It does taste like it came right off the grill. Man, it's loaded. 5 out of 5. It's got a great flavor. Really, really good. Mm. I can't quit eating it. Let's have an onion ring here. Mm. Really crispy, not too chewy. I love when you can bite into an onion ring and not pull the onion all the way out. Sometimes it's chewy and you just pull it right out of the ring, and it just, yeah. This isn't chewy, it's perfect. Mmm. That's the way onion rings are supposed to be done. 5 out of 5 for those. Very fresh, very crispy. Dairy Queen is so good. All right, now for the Wonder Woman Cookie Collision Blizzard. All right, here we go. Man, you can already see, let me show you this. Up top here, you can see the cookie pieces. Can you see that cookie dough in there too? Man, this is gonna be so good. Mmm, so smooth, man. Mmm. Okay, those weren't cookie pieces. That's fudge. Man, with this cookie dough, that's so good. Mmm. Get all those soft bites of fudge and cookie dough in there. All that chocolate flavor. Mmm. Oh my. Man, that is amazing. Mmm. This is the best blizzard I've ever had from Dairy Queen, ever. Man, it's so good. Mmm. Cookie dough blizzard has always been my favorite, followed by Oreo and Butterfinger. But now it's cookie dough with extra cookie dough, extra chocolate, extra fudge. Man, it's just so hard to beat. Mm. And it's the best thing in this meal, but this is all great. It's a 5 out of 5 and 100 out of 5. Perfect treat. I'm gonna chow down. As always, if there's anything you'd like for me to review, leave in that comment section, I'll get to it. God bless. Take care.